So welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on my cousin's E60. As you can see here, if this gets better, it has so it has the wheels. He had a blowout. He just moved here from up north, so he has a blowout there, and the other rear as well. If you want to see what happened. So it was, well, these barrels were already messed up from a previous trip because he had some weird tires on it, and then the other barrel has a crack on it, so we're gonna get the tires off and we're gonna get it rebarreled. So we got the tires removed from both wheels. You can tell. You can see how bad the barrels were because they were driven on, and one of them has a crack. This one doesn't. This one is actually good, just really bad. This one has a crack here. You can see it goes down. It's not too, well, yeah, it is bad. It goes all the way down past the bead. So that one was losing a lot of air. So we have the face out of the lip and barrel. So now we're just gonna cut the seal since we're replacing the barrel, and then just relip it and then put the face and everything back on. That was easy. So that's garbage, so we gotta take that sensor out of there. Yeah? So we got the lip and face, lip and barrel split. So now you gotta take off all the residue, not off the barrel since we're replacing that, but off the lip right there. Gotta take off all the excess glue so that it has like a clean surface for the new barrel. And we gotta take out the TPMS sensor off this one to put in the other one. So there we got, you can see we have all the old glue taken off from the center of the lip. So we're just gonna clean up the lip before we put the new barrel on it, and it should be all good. This focus sucks. Yeah, that's pretty much done. So we just have to do the other wheel after we put the new barrel on this one. So this is the new, so to the left is the new inner barrel. You can see the old one fully destroyed. So it's gonna be good. It's a 5.5 inch barrel with a 5.5 inch lip for the rear. So let's get to sealing those. We're gonna put the bolts first and then do the seal after when we finish the second wheel. So we have all the hardware in. Fuck, I'm sweating. So we have all the hardware in. So all we gotta do is put the nuts in the back. The face of itself already has some of them. So we gotta put the nuts and torque it down. And this wheel, other than the seal, should be all good. So we Loctite all the nuts and bolts in the back. You can't really tell, but all the hardware is on all around. So we have to just torque it down and then add the seal, and this wheel will be done. So this is the second wheel. You can see this one is actually bent. Same thing is getting rebarreled. So we're just gonna break the bolts and nuts loose so we can cut the seal and put the new barrel on it. So we're putting the Loctite, so we just lightly, or we just put the beginning threads of the hardware, and then we put the Loctite, and then we're gonna tighten it till it's tight, and then we're gonna use the torque wrench because you have to torque it to spec. So we just tighten it with the drill so that it's nice and snug, and then we use the torque wrench to get it to spec. So we're just torquing them down to spec. Is it spinning? Yeah, it's spinning. So we have to hold both sides. You have to hold the bottom, or that one you don't.
What was it, 20?
30.
Oh, but what was it that they recommended?
26. So this is optional when you're doing a reseal. So we just put like masking tape in between where we're gonna put the seal. This is more for like aesthetics, just so that it looks good even if it's covered with a tire. So we're gonna just put the silicone in between, and then before it dries up, we're gonna remove that so it has like a nice clean line on there. And that's why we use the masking tape, so that you get like a nice clean bead. Let's see if it focuses. So you can see there, with the masking tape you get like a super nice clean line. But yeah, that's how you rebuild. Oh, that's backwards. That's how you rebuild 3-piece wheels. Pretty simple. Hope it helped somebody out there.